Hi, I'm Clara. I'm a guide at Boutique Tours, and today I would like to tell you about the 5 classic French dishes you should try when in France. So number 1 is the canard confit, duck, which was elected the most loved French dish by the French. So it is cooked for hours in fat. It is absolutely delicious. Number 2 is the galette. So galette is the savory crepe that you eat with cheese, ham, and an egg. This is the classic one, and you can even add mushrooms on it. Number 3 is the famous escargot, the snails, cooked in butter, garlic, and parsley. One of my favorites. And number 4 is the steak tartare. It is fresh raw beef with an egg yolk on it and cooked with different herbs inside. It is absolutely delicious. It's not for the faint-hearted, but it is a classic in France. And number 5 is the aligot. Aligot is a very cheesy puree that you can have with meats. It is really cheesy. It's a whole experience and it is rising in popularity in Paris. You should definitely try this one. So save this video for your next trip to France and I'll see you on a boutique tour.